Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can turn off this feature. When you just press power button, it launches Google Assistant. How you can remove this feature in your Honor smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings, then click on accessibility feature. Here it is shortcuts and gestures. You have to click on Google Assistant and simply turn it off. And when you just press the power button, it will show, you can see friends, when you just press the power button, it will not show any Google Assistant. You can see it is showing power menu. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.